Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is God's Will. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can convert your BNB to WBNB, that is Wrapped BNB. Okay, so Wrapped BNB, you can actually use it to swap different projects on the Pancakeswap. So I'll be showing you the guide. So let's start. Let's assume you don't have BNB and you want to get BNB. So I'll be using Binance application. This is Binance Exchange. Okay, so what you need to do is you go to your wallet. This is for from the scratch. Okay, you go to your wallet. All right, you click on it, go to your spots, then you locate your you should first of all find out if you have USDT. So you can see here I have just a small portion of USDT. So the next thing I need to do is just to head over to trade, which is here. Okay, then click on trade, select BNB here. All right, BNB USDT, BNB USDT is the very first one here. So all I need to do is to select it. Now the next thing I need to do is to purchase BNB. Okay, so I'll enter the total amount here. So I'll just select 100%. I'll select 100%. Since I'm using up everything, I have 100%. So it's going to give me about 0.137 BNB. Okay, so all I need to do is to go ahead and make that purchase. All right, so we show success. So the next thing I need to do is I need to move this BNB to my Trust Wallet. Okay, so I go to my Trust Wallet application. Then okay, no, before, yes, I go to my Trust Wallet application. Then look out for the Smart Chain. Okay, this right. So copy it. Go to receive here. Okay, all right. Copy the address. This is my address. All right. So just click on copy it. Then I go back to my Binance. Okay, then all I need to do is locate my BNB. So you can see my BNB here. Okay, so all I need to do is click on it, then request withdrawal. Click on withdrawal, paste my address here. All right, so max, I'm withdrawing everything. So all I need to do, I need to just go ahead and proceed with the withdrawal. All right, let me proceed with the withdrawal. Okay, send code. Got my email. Okay, so just receive the code. Okay, so let me just impute this so that I'll be able to get this in my wallet. Okay, so I'm walking you through the process. So all I need to do, let me complete this process. Oh, interesting. So you can see the withdrawal process have been completed. So the next thing we need to do is let's head over to our trust wallets. Okay, so here you can see here's a BNB. Okay, so here you can see this is our BNB right here. Okay, so this is our BNB. So the next thing we need to do is we need to convert it to Wrapped BNB. Okay, so the next place you click on is here. You go to this the app, click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, where you have your address bar here, this particular place. So all you need to do is you type in Pancakeswap, Pancakeswap.finance, swap.finance. Okay, so you do this, then you search. Okay, so it will load up for you. So in most cases, sometimes if you haven't connected it before, you're going to see this option. So you're going to all you need to do is click on connect. Okay, so once you click on connect, here, this particular place where you will have this Ethereum symbol, you click on it, then you select smart chain. All right, this very first one, select smart chain. Okay, so once you select smart chain, it automatically connects. So once it connects, the next thing you need to do is you click on trade. This place, click on trade. So this is step by step guide if you are a new person to using this platform. So this will actually guide you properly. So now you can see you have your BNB here. The next thing you need to do, this place where you have your cake, you click on it. Okay, so you click on this cake. So once you click on it, in this search box that will pop up, you type WBNB because that is what you're converting to. You click on WBNB. So once once you click on it, you have something like this. So the next thing you need to do is you click on mass. All right, so you click on mass. Okay, so once you click on mass, the next thing you need to do, you click on wrap. Okay, so wrap. So once you click on wrap, the next thing you need to approve this transaction. So you need to approve this transaction. Click on approve. All right, so let's wait for the transaction to go through. So let's wait for it to go through. Okay, just some seconds. Wow, it has gone through. So you can see transaction receipts. Okay, so now we can now go back to um, our wallet to verify. So once you come here, all you need to do just refresh. So I've done that. I've refreshed. So you can see my wrap BNB here, the one I just converted to wrap BNB. So that is it. So this is just how to convert um, your BNB to your wrap BNB. This is just the procedure. Thank you very much for staying to the very end of this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you love what I'm doing, and also click on the notification bell. This will enable you to be the first to get notifications on whenever I release my videos. Thank you.